Hello everyone. This is a teaching learning material called Mathematic Calculator. The materials required to prepare this are empty incense stick box, this one, rectangular shaped cardboard like this, small rectangular shaped flashcards like this to write the numbers, and some waste sketch pens. This TLM could be used to teach addition to lower primary classes, especially 1 and 2. Children enjoy addition using this type of TLM. Now let us see how to prepare this one. First, I have taken an incense stick box and have made divisions by drawing a line in between the box. So this is the incense stick box, and in between the box I have drew a line and I have made two division. This is division 1 and this is division 2. Then on both the sides I have made equal number of holes using a sharp pencil or a pen. So this side and this side, on both the sides, using a sharp pen or pencil, I have made some holes like this, so that it is easy for us to place the sketch pen or the waste pencil or pens. Then I have taken a rectangular shaped cardboard which is equal to the length of the box. So this is the rectangular shaped cardboard, and this length should be equal to this incense stick box or any rectangular box that you take. Then I have taken three rectangular shaped small pieces of cardboard and I have cut the center of those cardboards in the middle. So these are the three pieces of rectangular shaped cardboard. I have cut in between them in the middle so that it is easy for me to place the flashcard like this. So we have to cut in between in the middle part of this particular rectangular shaped cardboard. Then after this, I have stuck these three rectangular pieces of cardboard on the bigger one. So as you all know, this is the bigger rectangular shaped cardboard, and on this rectangular shaped cardboard, I have stuck these three small rectangular pieces of cardboard which I had prepared earlier. Using a black marker, I have written the sign of addition in between. So as we are going to teach the process operation of addition, so I have written the sign of addition in between these two rectangular shaped cardboards. Later I have stuck the bigger cardboard to the incense stick box. After we stick all these three and we write the sign, then we have to stick this rectangular shaped cardboard to this particular incense stick box behind, so that it is easy, it doesn't fall, or it is easy to lift, or it is easy to carry. Now our TLM is ready, and I have also prepared some flashcards of numbers which fits into these pouches. Now let us assume that these three are the pouches, and we have to prepare some number flashcards like this which can fit into these three pouches. So make sure that your flashcard fits into these three pouches like this. When you place it inside, the number should be visible, and also it should fit into inside that pouch correctly like this. So now our TLM is ready. Let us see how it works. If I want to teach addition to children, I place the number to be added in the pouches above. Now for example, I want the child to add 7 plus 4. The student has to look at the number and take that many sketch pens and place it in the hole. Now here the number is 7. What the student has to do is, the student has to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sketch pens, and the student has to place it in this particular side. So here it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then the student looks at the number in pouch 2. So this is the number in pouch 2. Again, it counts the sketch pens and places in the other part of the box. So here the number is 4. The student counts 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here it goes. 1, 2, 3 and this is 4. At last the student counts the total number of sketch pens and finds out the answer or the number, and selects that flashcard and places the answer in the pouch. So now the student counts all together how many sketch pens are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So the answer is 11, and the student finds out the number 11 flashcard and it places into that particular pouch. So this is about the calculator MyTLM. If you have liked the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Waste to Wealth. Thank you.